Hey y'all, happy Supered release day. We are so excited at the Middle Six. We were chosen as one of only 10 partners of Supered that helped test this new process board feature that just got rolled out, along with a bunch of other Supered updates. So I wanted to quick give you all a little highlight on what is coming your way now with Supered. So these process boards are really a way for you to help operationalize your frameworks and that process enforcement for deal, optimization or sales enablement enforcement. And as a PI operator, I love processes and I love operationalizing things. And what Super does at its core is it helps you do and it helps your team do. It's not just a training tool, it's helping your team get their work done. And the new process boards will allow you as a manager or an owner to be able to see where people are maybe deviating from the process and help enforce that new process. Especially if there's a new thing you're trying to add, this can help put those alerts right there in HubSpot or whatever tool you're using to have that process enforcement. So if we come in here to our process boards, which we can get to from processes, now we have boards and rules, you can see this test board I created. And what you can do is you can add different process rules to different boards if you want to track specific things. So like this one is relating to our sales process. So you can see the number of violations over time. You can see what rules are being used and what is has the most violations. And then you can see the leaderboard. So what you want is you want to be at net zero. So it kind of becomes a competition thing too. And I added a bunch of extra process rules just to be able to do this testing and to show you how this all works. So you can see in here, I have 38 process rule violations. And so that is telling me I need to go do some cleanup of my deals. So I'm going to come in here and I can click this little play button. And what it's going to do is it's going to open up my sidekick. And then it's going to take me to my first deal that is missing some information. So I can see here I have a deal where the error is I am missing the next step. You know what? I sure am. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to fill in that next step. So that is reach out for follow up. Okay. That's all I need. I need to have something in that field. So now that I have that next step in here, you can see that that missing next step went away. And now I need to schedule an activity. So, you know what I'm going to do? I can come in here. I can look at when was my last email. Okay. And then I can go and I can make that next outreach piece. Then what's so beautiful is I can just follow up here and I can see, okay, now I have another deal, missing a next step. So I'm going to come back down here. I'm going to go, okay, next step. Um, Follow up to see if she has any questions. Done. Now that's going to mark that one off my little checkbox. You can see, and then I get that kind of like dopamine hit of seeing my progress of all of my process rules that I am now working my way through. So I can see here another one. This one's going cold or it's missing a next step. So again, this is just putting that enforcement right here in HubSpot where I need to be. Very exciting stuff. Okay, so we would love to be a partner for you if you want to leverage Supered for your own team, whether it's in HubSpot or other tools. It's a great way to operationalize that framework and to keep your team doing and getting the work done. All right. Have a great day, everyone.